Hello everyone, it's Janita back again with another video. Hope all is well with everyone. Well anyway, today I'm sharing with you guys some cuttings that I propagated back in February, on February 9th, 2018. And these cuttings, I have been waiting for some results for, it's almost a year now. On the 9th it'll be a year, so I'll just say a year. These cuttings just produced. Out here in California, I'm not trying to change the subject, but in California we have been having a lot of rain. And so I decided to set these cuttings outside. I guess about a month ago I put them outside, but I think because of the rain, this cuttings decided to grow. I don't know. I took pictures. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Excuse all the junk that is around this plant. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see all of the new growth on these cuttings, but this, I need something to point with. Excuse me, guys. Pointing with it to the scissors. This right here, that's the new growth on these 3 leaves. They look kind of sad, but what I want to tell you guys that are propagating cuttings from the Sansevieria or snake plant cuttings, snake plant, you want it, aka, don't throw the leaves away. Try other methods like moving it in another spot, or just try different things. My film cut off, you guys, so I don't know if I need to charge this up or not, but I'm just sharing some leaves that I propagated a year ago, and they are just starting to grow. All of this good California rain, Southern California is raining, and I guess the rain blessed these leaves to grow. These snake plant cuttings to grow. Well, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to take some pictures and let you see. There are like 3 new snake plants coming up. I think my camera needs charging, so I'm going to stop and charge my camera. But I will put this video up anyway. Hopefully you guys can check. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Take care, everyone. Don't give up on your snake plant cuttings. It could be you have to place them in a different spot. Soil, water, it all depends. But don't give up on your cutting. Remember, let them callus over for 3 days. Thanks. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.